Welcome to Auto's Time, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful pieces of machinery in the construction world, the 2025 Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer. This beast is the latest innovation from Caterpillar, designed to tackle the toughest terrains and heaviest workloads with ease. The D12 is all about power, precision, and efficiency. It boasts a massive 850 horsepower engine, delivering unparalleled performance in its class. Whether you're working on a massive construction site or managing large-scale mining operations, this machine is built to get the job done. One of the standout features of the 2025 D12 is its advanced automated control system. With cutting-edge GPS technology and eye-assisted operation, you can optimize every move, ensuring maximum productivity and fuel efficiency. It also comes equipped with Caterpillar's latest grade control system, allowing operators to achieve precise grading and leveling with minimal effort. The D12 doesn't just prioritize performance, it also emphasizes operator comfort and safety. The spacious cab is designed with ergonomics in mind, featuring adjustable controls, a high-resolution touch display, and excellent visibility. Noise reduction technology and advanced climate control ensure that operators stay comfortable, even during long shifts in harsh conditions. Maintenance has also been made easier with the D12. Caterpillar has incorporated a predictive maintenance system that monitors the health of the machine in real time, alerting operators to potential issues before they become serious. This not only reduces downtime but also extends the lifespan of the bulldozer. In short, the 2025 Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer is a game-changer in heavy equipment. Its blend of power, technology, and efficiency sets a new standard for the industry. If you're in the market for a machine that delivers top-tier performance and reliability, the D12 should be at the top of your list. Thanks for tuning into Auto's Time. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest in automotive and heavy machinery. See you next time.